What's up, everybody? So, I've been getting tons of questions asked about macros and how to calculate them, and like how the heck they give you this one big number and what do you do with it? Yes, it can be so overwhelming in the beginning. You guys, this has taken me about like 3 years to really get to the point where I don't really have to calculate constantly my macros. Like I kind of know, but I do love MyFitnessPal. This is what I use, you guys. And I have an app on my phone. Do I have my phone down here? Of course, I don't have my phone down here. So you can get an app on your phone, MyFitnessPal, and it's great because you can literally scan your food, take the bar, every piece of food has a barcode, and it will scan that food in for you. It's got everything that you need to stay on track. So how the heck do you guys calculate your macros? So you can go to fitnessministry.ca. And when you guys go there, you can go to macros. This is my website. You can go just normal macros, or you can go to carb cycling calculator. So that's just going to give you high and low carb days. If you guys have seen my other videos, or you would like me to do more kind of detailed tutorial on what carb cycling is and how to do it, I can do that too. Today, I'm just going to teach you your macros. And macros are really great, you guys, especially if you're trying to get to a goal. If you have a goal for your health and fitness, whether that's aesthetics, like losing weight, whether it's having more energy, or, you know, putting on some muscle, or whatever your goal is, you need to know how much food you need to be putting in your body. Just like a bank account, if you're, you know, trying to have this life that you're designing or go on trips, you need to know what's going in and out of your bank account, because if you're just spending all the time, you're going to go to get money and it's not going to be there. And just like if you're eating a whole bunch of food all the time and, you know, not being aware of what you're eating, you're going to all of a sudden be depleted and have no energy, or you're going to go to put those pants on and they're not going to fit. And it's just going to be like, how did this happen? So we need to take account of our food that we're eating. That being said, moms and women, we need to be careful not to get too obsessed with it. We need to keep this as healthy as possible. It is a guide, but we are human beings and we do all have different bodies. So you still need to listen to what your body is telling you to. And that being said, it's not always going to be on point and on key. It's not always going to be 100% every single day, and you need to be okay with that. But the point is that you are being aware of what you're consuming and what you're putting in your body. So then if, let's say, you know, you are gaining weight and you don't want to be, you can kind of go back to your diary and go, okay, what's going on? What have I been eating? And you kind of have this thing to fall back on, as well as if you're trying to put on muscle and you're not, you can kind of go back to your food and go, okay, maybe I need to change my macros. Maybe I'm not eating enough carbs, and so on. Same with your energy. You know, maybe you're just super tired all the time. Okay, we need to go back to your macros, your diet. What types of food are you consuming? And then you can kind of scale from there on, you know, what you need to be eating more of. And if you guys honestly have any questions, please reach out to me. This is what I do. This is what I love to do. I love what food does for your body. I love figuring this stuff out. And I've done lots by trial and error. So let's get going. Enough ranting. So you're going to go here and you're going to put in your information. So it's going to ask your age, your sex, your height, your weight. And another thing too, to figure out what macros that you should be at if you're trying to lose weight, ladies. So you can go maintenance. Let's say I wanted to lose 10 pounds. So I'd go 110. So if you're wanting to reach a certain goal weight, which I'd say that's really iffy, because when you do lose fat and you put on muscle, you may not get to that weight, but you may look phenomenal. So, but this is a way to do it. If you're just needing to lose weight, moms, you put your goal weight here, and then you're just going to maintain for your macros. So then you're going to put, like, let's say I'm moderately active. You're going to go calculate. All right. So now it's given you your macros. So you get to eat 170 grams of carbs per day, you get 113 grams of protein per day, and you have 42 grams of fat per day. So what do you do with that information? So now you're going to go to MyFitnessPal, make your guys' self an account, and you're going to start. So what do you do? So I've went into, oh no, now where did I go? My goals. And so for my goals, I'm going to input. So what was it? It was 117, 113, and 42. 15. So 170, 113, and 42. Oh no, shoot, I'm putting them in the wrong area. 113 and 42. All right, so then from there, you guys, it's going to say, give you your percentages, how many calories you need to hit a day and how many grams of protein and fat. So you're going to go save changes. And then this is way easier, you guys, if you do it on your phone, if you use the app on your phone, because this is like, I'm really learning as I'm teaching you guys on here because I'm so used to using my phone. So it's easier to input everything on your phone, I find anyways, but you can do it from here. So there's your goal. Now you're going to go to food. Come on, food. There it is. And now, because I've already kind of input some food, let's see what it says at the bottom. So it's saying, so I'm going to input my breakfast, and you guys, the more you do this, it's going to save your food. So it's really great. If you eat the same thing every day, your food is going to be saved and it's going to take no time at all. If you eat something new or you're making dinner, just make sure you're scanning all your food and it'll input. You don't have to put it in by your hand, which is amazing. So then you're going to put in your lunch. So today I had chicken. Please be chicken. Chicken. Oh yeah. So you can go like this. Chicken. See what comes up here. And you guys are going to get lots of different chicken. I usually have it saved in mine. So I don't know why this is coming up. All right. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this, ladies. So if you have more questions, just let me know. So should have my chicken in here. Okay. I'm just going to give you an example. I'm just going to do egg whites. So I had egg whites because it's something else I eat too. Sweet potatoes. Let's just put all this stuff in. Oh, there was chicken breast. All right. And let's say some green beans. Okay, so add checked. So there's my lunch. So then it's going to show my lunch, you know. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom. And so I've got 74 grams of carbs left for the day. I have 32 grams of carbs. So this tells me my totals, what I've ate. Fat, I've got 32 grams left. Protein, I've only got 52 grams left. So then from there, you can go and you can add your dinner, your snacks. So I know I have more carbs left and more fat. So for my snack, I can add like a fat, so nuts. I'm going to add an apple. And where's my nuts? Almonds. So I'm going to add checked. All right, so now I've got my snack in there for my energy. And so now it's saying I have got 48 grams of carbs left. I've got 22 grams of fat and 48 grams of protein. So that's probably one meal plus an evening snack, or let's say I had a morning snack. So then you're going to go and you're going to add your dinner. So I'm just going to say I'm going to have some rice for dinner. I'm going to have some more chicken for dinner. Where did the chicken go? And I'm going to have cucumbers. No, maybe I'll have salmon for dinner. Salmon and zucchini. Just making this up as I go, but this is something, you know, that I have saved in here. So I'm just kind of showing you guys. All right, so I've got my breakfast that I had, you guys. I've got my lunch. I've got, you know, a snack, and then my dinner. And so what do I have left over? I have got 8 carbs left. I've got 20 grams of fat and 23 grams of protein. So that is pretty much, I could have a rice cake, because rice cakes per one rice cake is 8 carbs. And then I could have some peanut butter with that and probably a protein shake. And then that would be my evening snack. So let's do that. This does seem like a lot of work, you guys, in the beginning. And it is. But I promise the more you do it, the easier it will get and the quicker you will hit your goals. So I'm just going to, come on, puff thin cakes. There we go. So I want 0.25 of that. Then I want peanut butter. Why don't I have peanut butter? I'm just going to look for peanut butter, nut butter. All right. Oh, I don't need nut butter cookies. Oh, sometimes this peanut butter. Let's just do peanut butter. All right, there we go. 2 tablespoons, sure. Add to food diary. All right. And then I'm going to have a protein shake with that. So this could be my evening snack. Add food. So I've got 2 carbs left, 15 grams of protein and 4 grams of fat. So because a normal scoop of protein is going to have close to 25 to 30 grams of protein, I'm only going to have half of a scoop of protein powder. So let's pick beyond yourself, but I am only going to have 0.5. So I'm just going to have a half scoop of protein powder. I checked. All right, let's see. It's the end of the day. What do we have left? Wow. So I still have 75 calories remaining. That's probably from the 3 grams of fat. But again, this is what I wanted to say, you guys, is you're not going to get perfect numbers. And so don't try to like, oh, I need to find little bits. I mean, you've hit it. By the end of the day, you've had, look at this is a really good day of eating. You could probably have more vegetables in there somewhere. Yeah, so to make up those calories, you could probably just eat some cucumbers or some veggies or something like that. And so after that, you're going to go complete this entry. And then after completing your entry, it's going to tell you if every day was like today, you would weigh 117.7 pounds in 5 weeks. So whatever your goal is, it's going to let you know every day, you know, if you're getting close to that goal. And so that's kind of what I like. And as well as you guys can press this print. So it's going to show you your full day and you can print them off. And so what I like to do, I like to print them off. So then, you know, just for the first 2 weeks, I would say, just so you can make sure you're hitting your goal. If your goal is like, you know, to lose weight, you want to be aiming around 0.5 to 1 pound a week. I would say that's healthy. Anything more than that, you're setting yourself up for starvation. So just try with that. Remember, it's not a quick fix. This is about not just about losing weight, but you want to be healthy too. You don't want to not be healthy and set yourself up for to regress really bad. And you don't want that. So you can go, you can print it off. So that's kind of how you guys calculate your macros. I hope that this helps. And I will show you guys. So go to my website, fitnessministry.ca, macros, start with your macros. Why don't you guys go and do it? Figure out what your macros is. And then under this video, I want you guys to tell me what you thought. whatever that is, leave a comment in the comment box. Give me a thumbs up if you like this and you would like to see me do one on carb cycling macros, what that looks like, how you do it with MyFitnessPal. As well as don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notified when I am uploading new videos. Don't forget to click the bell, as that will notify you. So I hope you liked this. Again, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope that this helped. If it helped, leave me a comment in the comment box. And I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.